I'm going to show you how in Ecamm you can set up multiple cameras to switch within a certain amount of seconds. So let's go into demo mode. And what we're going to do is you have this folder here that says new automated group. We can go ahead and click that. I'm just going to name it all cams. You can name it anything you want. I am going to set it to 3 seconds. And now we should just need to put cameras in there. So I'm going to start with this one. And then I'm going to just pop them up a little bit to get them in the folder. So I'm going to just move all these cameras temporarily into the folder. So you see how there's an indent? They're pushed to the right a little bit. That means they're inside the folder. Now, if you want to keep all these separate, you could always just duplicate them and put them in the folder. I'm being excessive here. I'm adding pretty much every camera I have set up. Now, these are the individuals. Just to give you an idea, I'm doing this manually, as you could see. But now I'm going to come to the top, and I'm just going to hit play. And you're going to notice I'm not going to move the mouse anymore. Got my hands up, and now, because I put 3 seconds, every 3 seconds, we're going to rotate the camera. Some people like this effect. They break things up. They probably won't have, I don't even know how many different cameras or the same camera zoomed in to give it a different effect. But this is one thing that is you're capable of doing in Ecamm. Now I'm going to go ahead and stop it. And I'm just going to come back to this camera. So this is just a quick little setup of doing multiple cameras, automation, switching every few seconds. And I forgot what these were, so let's take a quick look. All right, this is the one I wanted. So that's it for this video. Catch you in the next one.